I'm gonna wash my balcony today. To be honest, I'm gonna wash only the windows today because I'll get just mad if I wash everything. I hate cleaning for long periods of time. I would love to tell you that I haven't washed windows in the balcony since I moved here. 2 or 3 years, I believe. And you ask me why I didn't do that. I don't really have the answer for you. It's just balcony was never a place for us to go and relax and chill there. It was first like a storage room for something, but when I became a minimalist, I had nothing to store there. So it's empty right now, and it's the best place actually to go with a cup of coffee in the morning and get a little bit relaxation on the balcony. When I realized that, after 3 years of being here, I decided that it's time to wash the windows. I am not able to remove the bars right now. I hope you'll enjoy that. We have to change a little bit. As you probably can see, we have to clip my hair. Okay, now I look like shit, which is exactly what we want for cleaning windows, and let's get started. Please hit the like button and leave me a comment if you like such content with cleaning. There's just something about looking at the dirt and knowing that in a few hours this will all be clean and nice. Well, I am going to do my mother's method of cleaning windows just because I know nothing else, and I hope you will like it too. I don't really have my own methods yet, just because, you know, I'm starting the adult life. So if you have better ideas on how to clean windows, feel free to advise me. Well, I start with just making a piece of cloth wet, just with usual water, and I start only wiping the windows with just the water. And I really like this moment of looking at the dirty water and knowing that all the dirt from the windows has gone there. I had to be actually really cautious when washing these old wooden windows because I just could get a splinter. Actually, I had to Google this word because I didn't know it before. And I really hated the spiders and flies and all these bugs. I am really looking really deeply into these windows, trying to observe them before I start cleaning because I hate feeling the bugs on my skin. Hope you can relate as well, because they are just gross, no? I still have strength enough to wash the walls of the balcony, because when it rains, water can come through the windows on these walls, and as you can see, there are stains from rain. So I am starting to wipe those again just with the usual water, and later I will use a special spray, you know, the cleaning spray. So what I do is basically wet the cloth, and I don't let it dry completely. I don't squish it till it's dry. I actually leave a lot of water on it, like that. Not gonna lie, I was really proud when I was taking out the 6th bucket of really dirty water. Of course, I had to change it once in a while because it'd be stupid just to wipe things with the dirty water, right? My kitties are always happy to see me doing anything because they have such a boring life that me just cleaning is a big event for them. So I continue doing the frames. I try to do this thoroughly, but to be honest, I'm a lazy piece of whatever, and I don't do this with all my strength sometimes, though I should have. Usually when I clean, I listen to the music or to a podcast, but this time I decided just to be with myself. It's important sometimes, not to fill your brain with any stimulation and let your thoughts just go deep. To make it a little bit more not that boring as usual, I try to change places that I clean frequently. So I've been cleaning windows, now I clean walls, then I clean windows, then I clean walls. So not to feel a sad routine in that. Okay, now I'm done cleaning everything with water, and I'm taking this cleaning spray, containing eco ingredients. It has eco ingredients, and I will go the second round with the spray on the glass, only on the windows. I'm not sure I want to go down with it, though it probably would be good. But I'm really tired and I'll finish the floor tomorrow. So yeah. This is what windows look like after washing them with just water. Of course it has spots, it has just some watermarks from that water, but it has to be so because it's impossible to clean everything with a cleaning spray, and I want to just clean out the first dirt at first and then go with the spray. I'm back. It's the next day, and you know what? It's been raining all night. The rain was just insane. I've seen some stories of people that were trying to get home through these big ponds. Oh, this was a great night. The saddest thing is that I cannot show you the fully clean windows because the rain has spoiled a little bit something, and the window frames are now with dust again. So I now understand that it's not probably my fault that the balcony is always dirty. It's always dirty because if it's raining, it's dirty. The next day it will be dust everywhere, windows will be just with spots. I'll show you. We have the holes here and all over the place. I even have a small puddle here that I now have to soak. And when the rain comes, if the rain is big, it goes through this and falls like that on the walls. As you can see, I was cleaning it yesterday, but now it has spots of water everywhere again. So what's the point of all this? I spent 2 hours on that and now I have to wash it again. Oh, my little kitty. What are you doing here? Who knows why are rains yellow in Ukraine? So I've been washing this one and it's all yellow. Probably we've got only ace rains. Also, I've recently bought this cutie. Look how interesting this plant is. It likes sun, as I was told, so I've put it here. Hope it will not burn. I'm only left with that part to wash, and I guess we're done. As I told you before, I just can't clean for long periods of time, so next day I was trying to finish the walls, just some finishing touches, and even I decided to wipe the floors. I didn't plan this at all, and this is a mop that is very usual for Ukraine, though I haven't seen it anywhere in US creators' videos. While you're watching this minute and a half before after footage, I just want to thank you for being here and for watching my videos, and I encourage you to watch even more to decide if you want to see me more in the feed, and hit the like button to make algorithm understand that you like this video and you want to see it more. I wish you a great productive week but relaxing at the same time. So yeah, and clean windows to every house. Goodbye.